4 raised to the power of base 6 minus 23p2 in base 6 equals 2pp2 in base 6. Find p. Hi there, this is to solve a simple equation. Now we have the first one, p3 4 in base 6. Now how do you change a number in any base to base 10? It's easy. First of all, you multiply each digit of that number by the base. This is what I'm doing. You multiply each digit, p times 6, and then you start adding, plus 3 times 6 plus 4 times 6 plus 4 times 6. You number it, you put raised to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3. It depends on how it goes. 216 times p gives us 216p, plus 6 raised to the power of 2 is 36. 36 times 3 is 108, plus 6 raised to the power of 1 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 times 4 gives us 4. Right? So what's the next thing to do here? So we have 216p plus 108 plus 24 plus 8 gives us 136. Right? This is for this part. So let's do this part. So we have here 23p2, right? p2 in base 6, that number by the base. So let's go 2 times 6 plus 3 times 6 plus p times 6 plus 2 times 6. Used to multiply each digit, that's the base. This one, your number is from the end, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is from the right hand side, from the end to the 432. So we have 432 plus 6 gives us 108, plus 6 times p is 6p, plus 0 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2. So from here we can arrange it as 6p, right, plus 542, right? 432 plus 108 plus 2, right? So from here we do the last one, which is this one here. So let's do it 2pp2, right? So we come here 2pp2 in base 6, right? So from here what do? Multiply each digit of the number by the base. 2 times 6 plus p times 6 plus p times 6 plus 2 times 6. Starting from the right hand side, from 0, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 216 times 2 is 432, plus 6 squared is 36. 36 times p is 36p, plus 6 raised to the power 1 is 6. 6 times p is 6p, plus 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 2 raised to the power of 1, you have 2 raised to the power of 2, 2 raised to the power of 3, 2 raised to the power of 4, and so on and so forth. So from here, so with all these things, you can see the next one, it should be 2 raised to the power of 0, right? So from here we can see that 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2, 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16, right? So between this and this, 16 and 8, you see division of 2. Between 8 and 4, you see division of 2. Between this and this, you see division of 2. That means between this and this, there should be also division of 2. That's making it 1. That's why any number raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. Here we can see it. From here we have this one, and this one, here, and here as the last one. And so what was the original equation, or what was the original question? It says this minus this equals this. So that means the first one minus the second one equals the third one. So let's bring it down. So the first one is 216p plus 136. Let's bring it down. 216p, right? So we have 216p plus 136 minus the second one, which is 6p plus 542, right, is equal to the third one, which is 42p plus 434, right? So what do we do from here? So what's the thing that we have to do? So what's the thing I have to do from here? So from here we have 216p plus 136 minus, opens this bracket, minus 6p minus 542 equals 42p plus 434, right? So from here, what's the next thing? So let's collect like that. So you can see 216p minus 6p, right, plus 136 minus 542 equals 42p plus 434. So from here, this minus this gives us 210p, that's 210p, plus 136 minus 542 will give us minus 406 equals 42p plus 434. Right, so what's the next thing to do? The next thing we can do from here is to still collect items. We'll bring this to this side, so we have 210p, this plus, we'll bring it down to minus 42p equals 434 plus, this is minus, it's cross here, it's going to plus 406. So 210 minus 42, that's p, it gives us 168p equals 434 plus 406 give us 840, right? So from here we can divide both sides by the coefficient of the letter, which is 168. So from here 168 cancels 168, p equals this divided by 2, 420. This divided by 2 gives us 84, right? So this divided by 2 gives us 210. This divided by 2 gives us 42. This divided by 2 gives us, right? This divided by 2 gives us 105. And this divided by 2 gives us 21. This divided by 3 gives us, divided by 3 gives us 20, gives us 35. And this divided by 3 gives us 7. So 35 divided by 7 is 5, therefore p equals 5, right? So therefore p is equal to 5. So our answer is 5, which brings us to the end of this beautiful question that we have here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you very much.